In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. So first thing first, open up your Facebook account. Here, you want to log into your Facebook profile. Then tap on the menu icon in the upper right hand corner to bring up all the menu options. Into the settings, scroll down where you see the settings and privacy option here. Tap into settings and privacy, then just tap on settings option. One of the first options you are going to see is something that says Meta Accounts Center. Go ahead and click on see more in Accounts Center, highlighted in blue. Then once here, you will be able to see all of your Facebook and Instagram accounts that are connected under Meta. And what you're going to do is to scroll down to where you see personal details under account settings. Then tap into personal details. One you want to tap onto here is account ownership and control. You have two options. One is memorization and the other is deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and tap on deactivation or deletion. Then you want to select the account to delete. Here it allows you to deactivate your profile. And the other is to delete your profile. Go ahead and select delete my profile. Don't tap on continue. Fill out answers there. Just tap on continue. You're prompted to this here. Then tap on continue. And they permanently delete additional Facebook profile. So you go ahead and tap on continue. Then you will be prompted to enter your Facebook password. And that's it. You can be able to permanently delete your Facebook account. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.